One of the cities I spend a good portion of my time in is Dubai. And Dubai is known for its magnificent high-rises. When you want to build a high-rise, you can't just turn up one day and decide to build from floor 10. You can't just put in the ceiling of level 9 and begin putting in the frames. You can't just put in the windows and doors without putting a foundation. As important as these elements are, there is a point in time for when they come into play. You can't do anything or build anything without the correct foundation and the right framework, like an architectural blueprint. Once you have it, are aware of it, and you're following it correctly, you can then build what will become your magnificent high-rise. In fact, once you become familiar with the foundation and framework to correctly build a high-rise, you'll be able to do it anywhere, at any time. Let's treat your next presentation or public address like a high-rise. In order for you to get the maximum value out of this program, I recommend that you follow the order in which I've laid out the videos for you. The architectural blueprint. Remember when you were a child, you imagined things. You put chairs together, you put a bed sheet over it, and you called it a tent. Maybe you called it a castle. You had pillows stacked up, you would jump behind it, blocking yourself from the enemy, or maybe hiding away from your Barbie doll. I don't know, whatever you imagined. I want you to exercise your imagination some more. I want you to think that I'm here standing in front of you, working with you live. So if I ask you to think about something, I want you to think about it. If I ask you a question, I would like you to answer it. If I ask you to do something, I would like you to pause the video and make sure that you do it before you continue on. Friend, this is critical. Because real learning happens when you're focused and actively involved. I'm a great coach, and I know that what I teach works, but it works for those who put what I say to work. Think of it this way. You have to do push-ups. I can't do them for you. I can share with you how to do it correctly, how many sets you need to do, how many reps you need to do in a set, your cadence, but doing the part, that's on you. Before we go any further, I need you to go and get yourself a booklet or a pad and a pen, because you'll be taking a lot of notes. This was an example of me asking you to do something. So if you didn't pause the video, make sure you do it now. Do you want to become great? Do you want to get the same results I get with CEOs? Do you want to be able to present with confidence? If you genuinely do, then you'll have to do what I make them do. I have them all. Turn everything off. I need your full attention. No excuses. I work with CEOs, world leaders, presidents, and royalty, and I ask every single one of them to do the same. Think of it this way. If, heaven forbid, you were going in for heart surgery, would you like it if your surgeon was distracted by their phone because of their messages, social media likes, or comments? Or would you appreciate their focus on the work at hand to make sure that you live? If you are on a flight, do you want a distracted, taking pictures for social media kind of captain? Or would you want someone who is focused to make sure that the entire flight is completely safe from takeoff to landing? Which would you prefer? Friend, you and this program deserve the same focus and attention. You have my complete focus and attention. It's important that you choose to give yours too. Because if you've invested in this program, then you clearly want and need the help. And I'm here giving it to you. I will share with you thoughts, and I will ask you to apply techniques that you probably won't be familiar with, or you've passively heard but never really understood or implemented. I will also ask you to do a lot of work. This means that your focus and undivided attention is required. It's mandatory. Listen, I'm not being a dick for the sake of it. I'm treating you with the same level of respect, honesty, and care that I give my top clients. You want results? Turn everything off. If you don't, you will pay the price of not getting the great value that all my other clients receive. Not because I didn't provide it, but because you didn't give your undivided attention. Now listen, if you need time to go and eat, I take breaks all the time. While I'm recording this, I'm taking breaks to go and eat. If you need to have a smoke, if you need to use the bathroom, or you just need to get some time out because your brain is fried from all the goodness that I'm sharing with you, or you want to check your messages, it's fine. Pause the program, take a break, but then come back. And when you do come back, make sure that you're focused and you have your undivided attention here. You've made an investment of money. You're going to make an investment of time. But the most important investment will be your undivided attention.